Corey?
Yeah, good. I'm good.
Welcome along. This is your fourth session today.
Yeah.
How you been finding it since you started driving with us?
Oh, just more aware and just doing a lot better.
So before you started, what was happening before? Had you had any lessons with anybody else before?
No, I've just done some driving with my neighbour.
Right.
But I've never really had any lessons.
Okay, so when you started here, what was the sudden difference?
Oh, just having more control and knowing where I am on the road.
Right.
Reference point's one of the biggest things I learned.
Excellent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so today we've already progressed on. We've done things like merging, busy road crossovers, three-point turns, U-turns in the mouth of the street. How do you find enjoying those?
Really enjoying them. Like, really look forward to come here. Always try to get here a little bit earlier because, really enjoying Carmen's teaching.
Excellent. All right, well, we better get back on to doing the parallel park now.
Yeah.
Because you're looking forward to this one,
knock
aren't you?
that out. Well, the next fight.
Well, you did the first one last week.
Yeah.
What did you think of the parallel park?
Oh, easy. So easy. I always heard it was so hard from everyone.
Not here.
Carmen showed me. Easy.
Okay, see you
Follow
later.
the formula.
Okay, thanks for your feedback. See you, Corey.
Cheers.